In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your Lebara SIM. The key to reactivating your SIM is knowing how long it's been inactive. Lebara handles short gaps and long gaps differently, so let's walk through what to do in each case and make sure you're back up and running smoothly. If your SIM has been inactive for less than 90 days, the fix is straightforward. Reactivation happens automatically when you add credit or purchase a plan. You can do this online through the Lebara website or in the My Lebara app. Since your SIM may not have data while inactive, it's best to connect your phone to Wi-Fi first. Log into your account, choose a top-up amount or select a plan that suits your usage, and complete the payment. Once the payment goes through, the service typically reactivates quickly. You can confirm by checking your balance in the app or on the website. If you prefer a plan over pay-as-you-go credit, buying a plan works the same way. Pick the plan, pay, and your SIM should come back online. If your SIM has been inactive for more than 90 days, it cannot be reactivated. In that case, you'll need to purchase a new SIM from Lebara. This is a policy restriction rather than a technical issue, so topping up won't work once you pass that window. When you get the new SIM, just follow the provider's standard activation flow for new customers. If you run into problems at any point, maybe the top-up completes but calls or data still don't work, reach out to Lebara customer service. You can contact them via chat, phone or email. You'll find those options on the official website and in the app. Having basic account details and your SIM number ready can help speed things up, but avoid sharing sensitive information in public channels. Support can check the status of your line, confirm whether the inactivity period has crossed the 90-day mark, and resolve any account or network mismatches. Once your SIM is reactivated, it will resume normal operation for calls, texts, and mobile data. Give it a minute or two to register on the network, and if needed, restart your phone or toggle airplane mode to refresh the connection. It's a good idea to place a quick test call, send a text, and open a web page on mobile data to confirm everything is working. If data doesn't start immediately, your phone may be updating network settings in the background, so allow a short time and try again. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective.